Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Barrett, and today we're going to open my book of implants and talk about the difference between genioplasty and a chin implant, all right? First thing to understand is what a genioplasty is and what a chin implant is. A genioplasty is when you actually cut the jawbone and you advance the bone of your chin, typically with the use of some plates to extend it out. It's a bigger operation, it's a little bit more painful, there are more risks associated with it. If you need a lot of advancement, sometimes a genioplasty is the only way to go. Now, what is a chin implant? Well, a chin implant is a silicone, and they come in all different shapes and sizes, you guys. Like you can see, this is my Implant Tech book, courtesy of Implant Tech. I use their implants, but there's a bunch of good ones that are out there. And a chin implant is a silicone device that can be inserted either intraorally or in a small incision here. Recovery is a snap, and it can really change somebody's look completely. It is also permanent, and there's not as much pain and recovery associated with it as there is with the genioplasty. It's also a shorter operation, and scarring tends to be a lot less with a chin implant. If you have a question about chin augmentation, make sure you check out with a plastic surgeon. There's also another option, which is filler. Okay, I don't like filler too much because it tends to not make as big of a results, and you have to keep getting it done every 6 months to 12 months. Who wants to do that? But of course, if you're trying to avoid surgery, it might be a good option for you. Thanks for watching.